Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I want to find out if tyre shine is destroying my tyres. So in the last video you probably saw that I took the car for the MOT, or was taking the car for the MOT after fixing the exhaust, and it passed thankfully, but I did get an advisory on all four tyres cracking on the outside walls. Oh, look at that spider there. Hello. Hello. Come on then, out of the way. And the actual guy, the MOT tester, is that what we call him? He said they're only cracked on the outside, all four are cracking. That one doesn't look too bad. Yeah, a little bit of crack in there. And he says it's only on the outside, not on the inside. So he said it's probably caused by overuse of tyre gel. And I am a bit of a, as they say, tart with tyre gel, and I do use quite a bit. He said it's not detrimental to the tyres at the moment, but they are starting to crack, and they're only 5 years old, the tyres, so they're not massively old. I've had older tyres and got older tyres on the Nissan, and they're not cracking. Yeah, you see some crack in there. It's not too bad. But he said it's down to tyre gel and the solvents they use in tyre gel. So is it the cheaper ones that I'm using? I'm testing on the car. This is quite bad actually, this one. Or is it just overuse and overloading? So we'll go into the workshop now and have a look at some of the products that I actually do use. Right, so these are some of the main products I use on the actual Celica and all the cars I detail and valet. The main one here is the Auto Glim one. I probably use this almost exclusively. And I have a look online, and it is basically a solvent-based tyre dressing. Pretty much nearly all of them are, really. But some have more solvents than others and less silicones, etc. My old favourite was the Endurance Tyre Gel. Never had any problem with this, so I may go back to this. If it's this that's causing the actual problem, it could even just be the hot weather we've had over the last couple of years. I don't know. If anybody's had experience with tyre cracking on the sidewalls due to tyre dressing, drop me a comment below. Let's have a little bit of discussion on it. It would be quite interesting. These are the cheaper products I've used on that car as well and tested. This is another one from Temu by Ray Hong, Black Power. I probably coated all the tyres in this probably 3 or 4 months ago. It's alright. It's not a fantastic product. It's probably a very, very basic silicone with probably a ton of solvents in it. Another one of my favourite ones, mostly for trim as well as tyres, is the Tesco one. It's very, very cheap. Again, there's a lot of solvent in it, so I may stop using this if this is causing it, but we shall see. I think it's still alright for rubbers and things like that, but if it's going to dry rubber out instead of moisturising it, then there's really no point in using it at all. This one from Flash, I really like. I don't use this on tyres, I only use this on the rubber trim. Again, I believe it's a solvent base. Contains benzoyl-thalazine. I don't know if you can see that on there. See that on the camera? Which may cause an allergic reaction, which is nice. So it's going to be a solvent base and silicone base, and then silicones can cause skin reactions. Again, like I said, the tyre dressing from Auto Glim is really, really good, and they've got a really good reputation, so I can't really see that destroying tyres. I did used to use Smart dressing from Smart Wax. Again, nearly out of that because they're not actually going anymore. So basically I use this on just door rubber trims and things like that. I do use a Simonized one as well, but I'm out of stock of that. So I can't actually show you the tin because I haven't got it. But that's another one I use a lot, and again that comes in an aerosol. So could it be the solvents in the aerosol or the gases in the aerosol that, you know, that can cause the drying out and reactions? Okay, so I'm just looking online here, and I've just put in here Autoglim Tyre Shine ingredients, and it says it's got silicone polymers in it, what you'd expect. Yeah, durable polymer silicone, which also has long-lasting shine and protects your tyres from environmental damage. So I definitely don't think it's things like the Autoglim. And let's see if we can find a water-based one. And it's come up with Autoglim there on eBay with a dented bottle. Why would you buy that? Auto Extreme Wet Look Tyre Gel. Is that water-based? See what the old what the AI says. Historically, solvent-based dressings are more durable and create a more extreme tyre shine than their water-based counterparts. However, the advancements in product development have seen a shift in recent years. High-performance water-based dressings are becoming more comparable with their solvent competition. So that's quite good news then. Well, they do a water-based one in a 5 litre. Oh, that's interesting. I might get some of that. Ingredients in tyre shine, glycerin, salt. That's going to be good for your tyres, isn't it? And glucose syrup. Yeah, does tyre dressing dry rot tyres? When a solvent-based tyre dressing is applied to a tyre, it can make the sidewall dry out, leading to cracks and tyre rot. Since solvent-based tyre dressings can actually cause tyre rot, the best tyre dressing to prevent dry rot will be a water-based item. So it looks like I'm going to have to invest in a water-based tyre dressing. Right, so in conclusion then, I don't really know. I've been using tyre shines of various things over the years, probably since I was probably 17, 18 years old. And I've never had any problems with tyres drying out then. So whether it's because I've been using the cheaper products or because the weather's getting hotter and drier in this country, that could be another factor. If you've had the similar problems, drop me a comment below. It'd be interesting to find out if you've had this sort of thing or it's flagged up on an MOT where your tyres are actually cracking just on the outside. It's because the inside of the tyres are all perfect. There's nothing wrong with those at all. So it must be the tyre dressing. And that's the only factor. That's the only thing I'm doing to the outside of the tyres, but not on the inside. But then they're going to get less sunlight on the inside as well. So it could be sunlight reacting with the tyre dressing. It's all things to actually take in and discuss, I suppose. But yeah, I think I'm going to get some water-based tyre dressing next time and see how that goes. I'm going to run these tyres now, just let them wear them out a little because there's hardly any wear on them at all. And keep an eye on them, make sure the sidewalls are all okay, make sure they're not going to crack too much. And then when it's time to change the tyres, I'll just get another set and then I'll get the water-based tyre dressing. But for customer cars and details and things like that, I'm going to go over to the water-based system, I think. So if you've liked this video, I know it's probably been a very short one, drop me a comment below. Tell me what about your experience with tyre gels and tyre sprays and silicone sprays. Don't forget to like the video as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.